you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have an order that I placed from CoraCreaCrafts. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, I placed an order by CoraCreaCrafts and I'm super excited to now have it in my hands. Plus, two of the things are kind of like a little mystery bundle, so I thought that'd be really cool to show you. I didn't even know that they did this, but I think it's like once a month they'll go live on Instagram and on TikTok. So I actually caught her live and there was things she was showing that I was like, wait a minute, I want that. I want that. So they were definitely discounted on their lives. So if you do ever see one of their lives and you want to check them out, that's where they show their discounted like sale items for the lives. So I did choose some things. I got an email to pay for it. I paid for it and here it is. So I'm really excited. I will have them linked down below if you want to check out all of the amazing products that they have. And they did generate a code for me for you guys to save money, which is SheCrafty, to give you 15% off if you are interested. But let's go ahead and see. Again, I'm really excited about the little mystery bags. I got, whoa. I got two of them because I want to give one as a gift for Christmas at the end of the year. One of my friends is really into this kind of stuff and I just found that out. So I'm like, oh, wait a minute. We got some things we could talk about. So when I saw that they had like the little kit, I'm like, that's what I can get her. So right on top, you do have a card and it says that my order was packaged with love by Montana. So thank you so much. I love that they do that. They just put a little card in there right on top. And this is the presentation when you first open up the box. All right, you guys, let me see. Oh yeah, and they came in these little boxes too, bags. So that is so cool. These are the two little mystery bags right here. And then all the other stuff is down inside. So let me kind of just move things out of the box. Okay, so I went through my invoice and I'm really confused because it doesn't look like I have everything here. And some things I got two of and I only have one of. So I'm really confused. But let me just show you what I have in front of me and then I can contact the company and see what in the world is going on. So I got the two mystery bags, which we will go into. I just kind of wanted to go through all these individual ones first to make sure nothing like hopped into these bags in transit. So the Chinese Zodiac sticker sheet, there was two of them. They were on sale for $2 each, so that would have been $4. And I don't see anything in front of me for a Zodiac, let alone two of them. So I'm going to have to skip that for now. Then we have a Halloween specimen sticker sheet, which that would be this one right here. I ordered two and I only got one. So here is a $2 sticker sheet. Again, it's Halloween specimens. Let me put like this white behind it so maybe you can, no, that doesn't help you. Hold on. Let me put this behind it. There we go. So you can kind of see the different stickers. I love the skull right there. Then it has Prehistoric Botanic Sticker Set 2 at $2 each for $4. And again, I only received one. But here are all these different like little plants and stuff. I thought that would be really cool, especially like if I'm doing a page of like my garden. Then we have a black gold marble background sticker, one of them for $2. And then a orange gold marble background sticker, $2, one of each. So I'll show you both of them because they're pretty much the same, just different colors. And there's two of each one here. Of course, I would love that this was silver instead of gold, but it was still really pretty. So I just had to grab one of these. Look at that. So here's the first, the black marble, and then the orange. That reminds me of like an orange sherbet. That's so pretty. So there are the 2 different marble sets, the background sticker sets. And then next is cutout frames, 2 of them at $2 each. I'm going to assume that's these because I don't see anything else that has frames, but there's only one. And like this one, you can punch it out all the way here, or you can punch it out here and here. So you have all of these little pieces here that you can utilize for different things. And there's a whole, I'm not going to go through each entire one, but there's all of these different little frames that you can use for anything. So I thought that was cool, and especially for only $2. And these are all on sale. You can purchase them on their website. It's just a higher price. The live sale again is just a cheaper price. Next up is a Easter Patterns paper and sticker set for $10. And when I saw the little eggs, I thought that would be cute to like, when I have like my journal for my chickens and stuff, I thought I could use like the ones with the eggs and stuff for that. So I was like, ooh, I have to get that one. Look at all of those eggs in the blue, that deep blue. And it's like, it looks kind of like they're not palm trees, but they kind of look like palm trees and stuff, like painted on some of them, but the different patterns on there, that is super pretty. And then just like for like springtime, there's just these flowers. Here's some rabbits. This one is really, really pretty as well. Look at all those eggs. So yeah, I'm excited to use like the eggs, and then these other ones are just really pretty. Like, look at that design. So nice in springtime, very colorful. And here's some more eggs. This is like the first one, but this is like a paper version now. So you have like the sticker and the paper version for each one. Here's the bunnies. This one's just so pretty. And then you have these 2 as the paper. So that whole set again was $10, and I just had to have it for those eggs. Now there's a Floral Basics tape for $7, and I think that's going to be this one right here. And then out of the packaging, I love the colors, and they just have like little flowers and stuff on them. I'll show you an image here of all of them like pulled down so you can see kind of what they look like a little better. But here's the whole set valued for $7. This is the Floral Basics tape set. I'm super excited about that. Now there's a Vineyard and Orchard clear stamp set for $5, which that should be this right here. Yep, $5, and I did purchase one of them. Oh, how pretty. So you have all of these grapes. You can see all the little grapes there. And then this one here looks like there's some flowers or vines and flowers or something like that. But here are 2 different clear stamp sets. Now we have is a dip pin, so I'm assuming that's what this is going to be. I'm not sure how this is off to the side, and then there's just this little piece. And that piece slides right at the end, and this is how it looks all together, kind of like a wand with a really pretty pale peach color. Again, it's a dip pin for $5. Seashell washi tape should be this one right here. Ooh, this one is super, super pretty. Look at all those shells. Yes, I love that. So again, this was valued for $5. Now there is a fruit transfer stickers, $2 each. I purchased 2 and I only have one here. So here are both of them, and they're both different. So I know it's not like here's 1 and here's 2. They're both different. So this is a set of 2. Again, this was $2. And I thought that was just so cute. All the little fruits and stuff like that, and their little transfer stickers. So here's that. I did have shipping for $5, and then I have the 2 mystery bags, and that's all that's left on my invoice. So let's go ahead and go through the mystery bags. So these come in their own little bag, and it's supposed to be kind of like a little kit to get you started. They are $40 each, so I spent $80 for both of these. Again, I'm going to keep one of these, and then I'm going to gift one for my friend at Christmas. And let's go ahead and just see. There's all of this goodies down in here. Again, $40 for each one, and it's just a mixture of different starter tools. They're all different. What could be inside could be, some of them could be the same, some could be different. It's all a mixture. And then let me see, I wonder, is this ancient Chinese stickers? Like, I wonder if this was Chinese zodiac sign stickers. So maybe that's what this is. Chinese zodiac stickers. Maybe this hopped in my bag, or it was a part of the bag. I don't know now until I go through the other one. But if so, here's one of the two that I would have been, they were $2 each. I paid $4 for 2 sheets. There's the different. Here looks like a pair of like collapsible foldable scissors. Yes, they are scissors. So here's a pair of scissors. Where's my bag? Let me put everything back in the bag as I go through it. Ooh, is this a journaling book? And it smells like leather too. And let's see, this is so exciting. Oh, and it stays there. That's cool. It doesn't come off. And it even has a little plastic things here that you can put things in. There's blank pages back here. And then there's dotted pages up here. So you have a whole little journal book. That's cool. And I like that it's brown. It's a neutral color. So now here is a vintage bows sticker set. That's cute. All the different bows on there. And this is a clear stamps set. The theme was sword handles. This is from the, oh, so then I probably already have this in because it says Advent Calendar 23. So then I'll probably make sure this one goes to my friend then, because I already have this one. I don't want to open it because it's going to go to my friend, but it does say Collection Advent Calendar 23. So 2 years ago when I got the Advent Calendar, I have this already then. And then now we have is the dusting stamps. This is really cool because I did buy some, but I don't think I bought this color. Let me see what color came in this one, because I see ones in here. Dusting stamp Madeira. The same color. Is the stamp set the same one from the Advent Calendar? Advent Calendar 23, yes. It is the same exact one that's in here too. But see, now I'm confused because this one got the bow set and a different sticker set. So I'm so confused then. All right, let me continue with this one bag. Don't get too excited on the other bag. Let me open this since this is the same color for both of them. I can show you what this is. And that's the color right there. It's like a dusting stamp. So I'm excited to have a different color of that one right there. And then here is a roll of washi tape. And then here's one more. Ooh, this one looks really pretty. I see like, look at, like the Ouija board paddle. And this one looks really cool. So here's this one as well. So there's 2 washi tapes. And then this one, however, looks really interesting. It's big too. Oh, that is gorgeous. They look like all like really nice like perfume bottles and stuff. Look at this. I'm trying to get the glare off, which is a little difficult. Look at how pretty. Oh my gosh, I love these. Ooh, that's different. Look at how pretty that is. All the different colors. Looks kind of like a wood grain. That is really neat. And I love that color. It's like a teal blue kind of color. The main thing is. See? That is gorgeous. So that is everything down inside of this bag, but I'm kind of thinking that that sticker sheet needs to go in here because there's that one in here. So let's see what the difference is here. So this one has this sticker sheet that has like these fruits and stuff on it. Super cute. It also has the same bows. So here's 2 sets of stickers. The same clear stamp set, which now I can put one of those in a giveaway because I don't need 2 of them. And then this is the same color brown. Yes, the same color brown journal. The same color rubbing stamp ink. The same scissors. Okay, so they are exactly the same other than that one sticker sheet. We have the same washi tape, This is the same, and this is the same as well. So everything in here is exactly the same. Again, some of them could have been the same. Some of them might not have been, but I definitely wanted to grab one for me and one for my friend. Like I said, for a Christmas gift. I just now need to contact them to find out what's going on with my missing stickers. And I think this goes in here. I think this does go in this one, because if not, then they're not exactly the same, because this one only has this one sheet. So if I put this back in the bag, then I'm missing them all together. You know what I mean? But either way, I know they're going to make it right. So I will contact them. This is the very first time I've ever had anything not in my box. And I know they're probably just rushing because they have a million things to do, which is totally okay. We're all human. We make mistakes. But the great thing is, I'm sure they're going to fix it. So there's that. Update time. All right. So after I filmed, I went ahead and wrote the company and kind of wrote out exactly like, this is what I had ordered, but this, and this was only one. So I feel like the 2s was just missed because the doubles, normally people in lives probably only just do 1 anyway. So I might have thrown them off by that one. But again, I was shopping for me and a friend. So they were kind enough to be like, yeah, we can go ahead and replace them. And I even asked them if they wanted to just refund me so they didn't have to waste in the shipping, because it was just a few items. But they said, no, we'll ship it out. They were super, super sweet. They responded super, super fast, and it just arrived. So I got my package, and I just wanted to show you. Again, they definitely took care of it, and they replaced everything right here. So I should have, hold on, do I have, okay, so I should have had 2, I believe, of the ancient Chinese stickers, because in the 2 mystery bags, and I think maybe it could have been they didn't understand what I was saying, because it's kind of hard to explain in typing form, but these were the 2 mystery bags. And again, in the stickers, one of them had the bows, and that's it that was in there, and this one. And then the other bag, because I've kept them all the same this whole time, it's been about a week now, and this one had the bows and it had this one. So I told them that the only one that had this in it was in the mystery bag, but I feel it goes in the mystery bag because the other one had 2 stickers and everything else in the bag was exactly the same. So either one of my mystery bags had not the same exact type of items because the bows and the bows, or this somehow jumped in it. I'm not quite sure. But if I was only missing one, then one of my mystery bags has an extra sticker than the other one didn't have. So it's one of the 2. Again, that's fine. It was only a couple dollars. So here is the one right here that they replaced. Then I have the ones that you scratch, that set. We have the plants and this one. And then the only other one was the frames, and they said they were currently out of stock, so I could either wait, or they had one that they called something with butterflies. And once I saw butterfly, I'm like, you had me a butterfly. Stop right there. Go ahead and replace it with that. So this is what I got instead of the other one that was the frames, which, if you know me, you know this is definitely better anyways. So I'm super, super happy about that. I'll lay these out so you can kind of see them like in a thing, so you can see what they look like. Anyway, just wanted to pop on here and let you know they took care of it super, super fast. I already have my order, and now it's all complete. So now that is everything that I have to show you for my order that I placed, again, from CoraCreaCrafts. I'm super, super excited. Oh, and when they were doing the live, I even typed in there, like, I cannot wait for your advent calendar. I'm like counting down the time until that comes at the end of the year. And she actually said she's going to do one, like a small calendar, like June or July. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like a Christmas in July. That's so awesome. So I'm definitely going to snag that, the half a calendar in the middle of the year, and then the advent calendar probably at the end of the year again as well. I just really, really love this stuff. And I love to show you guys as well because it makes me happy. So maybe it makes you happy. I just love stickers. I love seeing all this stuff. I can't wait for the day to actually sit down and put things together and actually create things. But until then, I'm still collecting, and I love it. But I will have them down in the description box if you'd like to go check out their website. And again, SheCrafty will save you that 15% off if you are interested. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I have to say for this video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.